Now, to run the eligibility check, go to the Policy/Claim tab and take note of this section here. Choose the relevant payer and click Insurance Eligibility. Once the check is complete, your web browser will automatically open with a PDF containing the patient's benefits summary, followed by a more detailed breakdown of their benefits and their remaining coverage. It will automatically be saved to the Activities by Documents section of their record. Now, let's get to the price. There's a cost of $1 per successful eligibility check and 50 cents for any failed attempt due to incorrect info being provided. There is no minimum, you are only billed for what you use. And for a limited time only, your first 20 eligibility checks are on us. So try it out and let us know what you think of the new One Body integration. If you require assistance with any portion of the setup, contact us at support@practiceperfectemr.com.